I'm reviewing Avalon's Premium Cool Mist Humidifier with Aromatherapy Diffuser. So here is your adjustable knob. This is how you will turn it on, and you go all the way to high to low. This button right here will change through the LED colors if you want it to steady a certain color, or if you want it to just start changing gradually, as well as completely off. At the top here you can see this little spout, and this is what you can rotate 360 degrees so the mist will point where you would like it to. When you open it up, one of the things that I like is how large the mouth is for the water tank. It makes it easy to stick underneath like a bathroom faucet, so that way you can fill it faster, as well as to see to clean it and to empty it out. Now this does come with a filter, but you can unscrew it and make it filterless. It will run filterless. So if you don't want to use this, or if it goes bad and you don't want to purchase a new one, you can go filterless. Now it does come with this little brush that's in here, so you can wipe it out, clean it just a little better. Here is your LED light located right there. And now I'm going to fill it up to show it to you. Okay, the water tank is full. Just drop it in. You will hear the water being released, making a little bubble sound as it goes into the bottom compartment. Now before I turn it on, if you rotate it, there is a little drawer here. And this is where you can put oils. Now for a head cold, I like a good peppermint oil. You can see that I've already used the little pad here. Comes little pads to soak it in. And that just slides in here. Turn it on, you'll see that the LED light will turn blue. That's above it. Now this is midway, and it's already just pushing that mist out. I can increase it. And it's almost like a smoke machine. It produces so much. Also, this one will stop automatically when the top water tank is removed, and then it'll continue when it is back into place. I hope that this gives you a better idea of their product. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.